Magtago ka sa saya ng iyong nanay. Hindi. You stand on your own and face China with regard to your issues in the West Philippine Sea. You don't lean towards another superpower and say na, oh, please help me because he is bullying me.
Sa isang matapang na pahayag, iginiit ni VP Sara na hindi siya pro-China, taliwas sa sinabi ng palasyo at hinamon ang kasalukuyang administrasyon na bigyang dignidad ang mga Pilipino.
VP criticized the country's foreign policy and the administration's decision to allow foreign missiles in the Philippines. Ang sabi niya po, papapasukin mo ang missile ng foreign power sa bansa mo na alam mong kinaiinisan ng kalaban niya. Any comment po, Yusek? Salamat.
The President said, we expect that from the Dutertes because they are pro-China. At ang Pangulo po ay pro-Philippines.
Hindi nila dapat ako pinapasagot kung pro-China ako. Sagutin niya yung tanong ko, where is the independent foreign policy that is required by the Constitution? Where is it right now? Explain to the Filipino people how you are going to implement your independent foreign policy. Huwag nilang pasagutin yung nagtatanong na sasabihin nila ako ay isang pro-China person. Matagal na nila yan na narrative na pro-China ako. I'm not pro any country at all. Ang sinasabi ko lagi, we need to develop, we need to maintain, and we need to level up our relations with all countries, hindi lang sa China. Pero kung nakikita ninyo sa ngayon, nakikita nyo na we have problems, we have issues, we have challenges with our relationship with China, particularly with our issues and the implementation of the arbitral award in the West Philippine Sea. Bakit ka kikiling sa isang superpower na kalaban nung may problema ka? Kumaga, may problema tayo sa China. So bakit tayo kampi sa US? Parang magkaroon ka naman ng dignidad as a country. Huwag yung parang, ano ba yung magtago ka sa saya ng iyong nanay? Ano bang sayin yun? Oo, magtago ka sa saya ng iyong nanay? Hindi. You stand on your own and face China with regard to your issues in the West Philippine Sea. You don't lean towards another superpower and say na, oh, please help me because he is bullying me. Yun. We have our Filipino pride and in international relations. Kung wala kang away, wag mo simulan yung away. You always need to cultivate good relations with not just your neighbors but the entire global community. Sila din naman nagpapasalita sa akin eh. Ayaw ko magsalita noon kasi nakikita ko yung mali na ginagawa niya. Pinipilit nila ako magsalita. Ngayon, sagutin niya. Nasaan na ang independent foreign policy ng Pilipinas na nasa konstitusyon natin?